RunnerTrack is a procedural scrolling track system for Unity. It is designed to generate infinite scrolling environments with procedural variations, using a lane-based track and a grid system for content placement. A track is built using three types of track elements: the tiles, which form the scrolling surface of the track, the structures, which are the main objects placed on tiles, and the structure attachments, which are elements placed around structures that can be arranged to form paths. The track controller is the main component responsible for generating and managing the track. It relies on several providers: a tile provider to place tiles, a structure provider to place structures, and a structure attachment provider to place attachments. These providers work in a cycle. Tiles are placed first, then structures, then attachments. There's also a random provider which supplies all random values used by the system and drives procedural variation. To scroll the track controller instantiates a motion anchor that moves forward continuously. All generated track elements are attached to this anchor to follow the scrolling motion. During scrolling, the track controller ensures that a specific area, called the active section, always remains filled with tiles. When a tile fully scrolls past this section, it is recycled by the pooling system, along with all the structures and attachments placed on it. This allows the system to reuse elements efficiently and avoid unnecessary instantiations. Track elements are also instantiated asynchronously. Instead of placing objects immediately, providers create loaders that contains all the information needed to place the correct element once it is fully loaded and ready. This ensures smooth, uninterrupted scrolling even at high speeds. To generate a track, the controller needs information such as the available track elements or the size of the active section. It gets all of this from a track configuration, a scriptable object asset that contains all the data needed to build the track, making it easy to edit, save, and reuse configurations. A dedicated track configuration editor is also provided to help manage configurations and customize track element assets. In this tutorial series, you'll learn how to use RunnerTrack step by step, from creating your first scrolling track to customizing track elements, adjusting providers, controlling randomness, and integrating gameplay. So if you're ready to start building procedural scrolling environments in Unity, let's jump into the first tutorial.